Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking off from Oakland International Airport. As you can tell by the weather, it is pouring. We're gonna try to get out of Oakland quickly. So let's just take off. Let's go flaps 3, 40% power, and toga. $80 knots. Cross check. V1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Yo, I can't even see because the visibility is pretty low. It's just dark. It's just gray clouds. Possibly once we climb out, it's gonna be sunny. Hopefully. Yo, like I couldn't even see the runway. Let's watch the takeoff. That is a replay of the takeoff. This is pretty crazy takeoff. Question mark, we may have to divert. But possibly we have to divert. We possibly have to divert. Maybe to the closest airport, which is gonna probably be San Jose. I'm gonna create a flight path for us to go to San Jose. We're scheduled to go to Sacramento, but we're gonna divert because the weather is bad right now. In my game, in GeoFlight Simulator, we're gonna be landing ILS 30 left. How long is it? And yeah, the weather is pretty bad here. We're gonna divert over to San Jose. We're scheduled to go to Sacramento. But once this weather clears up, we're gonna go to Sacramento.